you don't have to place your order. If you want to place your order, make sure you don't have any money before you place your order. Okay, before you place your order, make sure you don't have any money on that very account. Make sure you don't have money on that very account, so that when you place your order will not be successful, but it will still hang there waiting for you to complete your order. So make sure you don't have any money. If you want them to edit your order, make sure you don't have any money on your card. You can use a card that there is no money on it. You can later transfer money to it and complete your order. Then once they've edited your order, then you can now go ahead to place your order, and that is how it works. Thank you so much for being a part of this course. I appreciate everything you have done you have done so far for it, and I pray that you're going to succeed in your business. Thank you so much.